Hi there. In this video we will be taking a quick look at this solar bulb string lights from Livarno home. Yes, Lidl as usual. So let's get into it. This particular box was the last one in the store, so it's a bit banged up. People opened it up to see what's inside and ripped it apart. Hopefully everything inside is still in good condition. We are greeted with a huge manual for something like this. I have no idea why it's this big, presumably many languages. So yeah, let me show you the manual first, which I don't usually do, but this time I feel like I just need to get it out of the way because it's too big. Feel free to pause at any time to read anything you need from it. I will do my best to show everything. So it has a nickel metal hydride battery, 1.2 volts, 600 milliamp power. If you want, being is it a double A cell? I think it's a double A cell, honestly. We will check that. You can upgrade the battery if you feel you need a bit more power. But if you don't get enough sun, upgrading the rechargeable battery will not actually help that much. This is lots of instructions for such a simple product, in my opinion. Yes, double A. So I was right. I think we are actually living in a really bad age when everything needs to be in the instructions. Common sense is basically gone. So that's that. Throw that out and recycle it, obviously. Because why wouldn't we create even more waste with huge instructions? And yes, we are missing something, but luckily we are missing something that I don't care about. We are missing the stake that would go into the ground, which is shown right here. But I'm not using that. We are using these lights for the patio, so we do not care about that stake, luckily. So I somehow accepted the fact that I might not be getting the full product, and this is what I need. Little solar panel, not too big, not too small. I would have liked it a bit bigger, but I have plenty of these from old solar lights that are damaged, so I could actually hack something up and make a bigger one from more smaller ones. Who knows, but it might not even be required, so stay tuned for that. As I can see, this can be taken out. If you are just putting this somewhere, it has little feet. You can even put some glue on them and glue it onto something. But for me, I think this angle is actually, where was it? No, I don't think this presumably is the right choice. Yes, I will attach it with 2 screws onto the patio, and it will be getting quite a decent angle for sunlight. This plastic, all of them obviously, we just have little strings with lights inside of them. In theory they are IP44. For me that matters only for the fact that they will be outside, but they will not be getting any water onto them, and hopefully they will handle dust quite well. Now let me just cut all of this, which is even more e-waste, or actually not e-waste, recyclable waste. Even more warnings: never plug it into 220 volts. Well, how could I? Even if I wanted to, it's not possible. But there's that. Again, common sense is gone, and you need to write everything about for legal reasons. IP44, as you can see, the model, battery type, and the consumed power. And this, actually, let me also remove the last one, although this will not be as easy, so I might remove it off camera. Some more info about it. So it's about 5 meters long, the string itself, with about 2.75 meters for I don't know where the solar thingy stays and the first bulb begins. Warm white light, yes, but it will be colored. We don't have this transparent variant, we have the colored one. Although now that I think about it, the transparent one would have been cool too. But hey, this was the last one in the store, so there's that. It will illuminate for up to 8 hours when it's fully charged, and it's for outdoor use. And that's about it basically. Let's see if it does have a charge or not. Okay, and yep, it does have a charge. Let me try to... Oh, a really weak charge, it barely glows. So I need to put this to charge and show it to you at night, how it actually glows in the dark. And in theory it should be fully charged, so let me turn it on. Turn it on, I said. Okay. This thing is actually looking quite nice, I like the colors. It's not too bright, not too dim. It's quite cool. And yes, any vibration will move this inside of the bulbs. This is nice. And my daughters, as you can see, like it also. Hopefully it will look as nice outside as it does here, but I see no reason why it wouldn't. Maybe in time this will not be as shiny, but for the moment I like it a lot, and daughters also like it. As you can see, they want to play with it. And this is in position, getting sun in here. I just clean it a tiny bit from time to time, wire in there. As you can see, really well attached to this wooden beam, so they are basically not moving, and they light up each and every single night and last for almost the whole night long. So that's pretty good. Okay, you can clearly see them working really well at night. And the only thing that I don't like is the fact that I didn't buy more. So I do need to buy some more because they are really nice. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.